Kind of fuck up, bro. Jesus Christ. You man did not like black people, I swear.
Are you got anything on you, cuz? Why are they stopping you?
Reason being, mate.
Why are they stopping you, bro?
Reason being, mate. A young child is just.
There's just been a knife-point robbery at this tram stop, and
Yeah.
the description that came out on the CAD is a young IC3 lad in a navy blue hoodie.
Okay.
So we're just searching him.
I'm just
If
a bit
it's not
worried. He
him-
looks a bit young because he's in school
but he
uniform and
matches
that.
the description.
Does that make sense?
And
I know, but you
people
shouldn't be
in
grabbing him like that. Does that make
are 12
sense?
years old at the moment.
I
They're
know.
getting stabbed. and
Until
stuff.
you determine that's the
Yeah.
young man that's done it.
He matches the description.
A lot of people can match descriptions.
So what do we do?
Deal with him properly. I mean, that's a bit aggressive, isn't it? That's a bit aggressive. Bro, I'm here. Calm down, bro. Calm down. I'm here. I'm recording, yeah? They can't do you nothing, brother.
Violent robbery
Yeah?
just occurred in the area.
Don't worry, bro. They can't do you nothing, yeah?
A violent robbery has just occurred in the area with knives. Okay, you match the description.
He's a young boy. He's a young boy. He's a young boy, bro. He's a young boy. Look, you're being a bit aggressive. That's a bit aggressive.
Young boy.
Hey, bro, how old is he? How old is he?
I don't know.
That's aggressive, man.
Listen to me.
No, that's
You're asking
aggressive.
me- Listen to me.
I can't.
Listen
I'm
to
not-
me.
That's not good in my heart. Seeing a young boy.
Why are you
He's in his
shouting?
school uniform.
Okay, he could have committed a robbery, mate.
Yeah, but you haven't determined that. So
Well,
how
how
can you
can we
use excessive
how are we
force?
going to determine that?
But how are you
No,
using
answer me
excessive
this.
force? Let
No, answer me.
Okay.
Answer me this.
Okay.
Answer me this question.
Yep. Mhm.
Right. How are we going to determine whether he's involved?
But how you?
How? No,
I'm
answer me
gonna
this
answer that. I'm
question.
answering that. You shouldn't be using excessive force if you haven't determined that's the young man that you're after.
Right.
Right or
How
wrong?
are we going to determine?
I'll speak to
whether
him.
it's a young man?
Speak to him. Speak to him.
And what should we
Speak
ask
to
him?
him.
Have you
Speak to
just
him.
committed a robbery?
Haven't you got CCTV cameras? Haven't you got CCTV cameras? I want to keep this
No,
documented because
we
he's a young
actually
man.
haven't. We actually haven't.
You actually haven't. So
No.
you're going to use excessive force before you find out he done anything.
No, we're not using excessive
That's
force.
excessive force.
We're
I've got your
using
camera.
reasonable force.
Reasonable force.
Yeah.
He's
So
he's a
listen
young
to me.
boy in
The
school
explanation
uniform. He's
being
in school
is
uniform.
that a knife point robbery has just taken place.
I know that, but you haven't determined that that's the young man
so
who's done it.
is a person
No.
carrying a knife, regardless of their age?
He's a young man in
I'll
school
talk to
uniform.
you once my colleagues have
You
finished.
are a big adult, and look how you're tackling him down.
If he had
That's
a
not
knife,
reasonable
if
force.
he had a knife,
Yeah, if he had a knife, that would be a
he's got a
different
knife.
story.
Okay,
You could have found
we
it by
need to
now.
determine that.
You would have
we
found
don't need
it.
to deal with him like that. If
You
he'd
would
have
have
just
found the knife.
complied and stopped, we wouldn't need to deal with him.
You
like
would
that,
have
would
found
we?
the knife. That's a bit excessive. You would have found it by now. There's 4 officers here. You would have found the knife. Right or wrong? Right or wrong?
Well, we need to search him, don't we? People hide knives.
Are you not searching him now? Look at
People
the floor.
hide knives.
Come on, man. That's a young boy. He's in school uniform. He's in school uniform. Nah, man. That's too excessive. You know that's excessive. Would you have your child on the floor like that by 4 police
My
officers?
child would not
in
argue.
uniform.
My child would not firstly argue.
There's
my
4
child
big men.
would not
4 big men
struggle.
wrestling to
My
the ground.
child would not be
Come on.
hostile.
Come on.
Okay, so if he's doing that, why is he doing it?
We'll have a conversation, alright?
Bro, listen, calm yourself down, let them chat to you. Bro, listen, calm yourself down and let them talk to you, yeah? Don't let them grip you down on the ground like that. Nah, man. Because you've tackled a little boy in uniform to the ground.
So you're aggravating the situation.
Ben, just carry on.
I'm recording it, I'm not aggravating nothing. He's a small boy in uniform with big 5 police officers tackling to the ground. It doesn't take 5 police officers. It doesn't take you. It doesn't take all of you to tackle him to the ground. Have you found the weapon? Have you determined it's the boy? Come on, that's not fair, man. You have children yourself.
How are we going to
You have
determine-
children yourself. Have you determined it?
Firstly, my child would not be aggressive or hostile towards police
I
officers.
agree with you, and I've advised the young man to calm himself down and
Does
let
that not raise
officers-
suspicions?
What, for him to calm himself down to speak to officers?
Our suspicions that he might be involved.
What of what I've seen, you've just jumped on him. You haven't asked him any questions. From what I've seen,
They've
you've
asked
just
him
jumped on him.
questions. Of course they've asked him questions.
I understand that, but young people don't listen.
Bro, listen, bro. Calm yourself down. You ain't that you're good, bro. Calm yourself down. You're good. That's it. Nah, man.
And I understand that, but that doesn't mean that
Nah, man. Before they even said anything, they just tackled him down.
he might not have had this experience before. So he may not know how to
Nah,
do it.
man.
Regardless.
I saw it. I saw it from the beginning.
Regardless, his face is flat on the floor. And
You
it's
have
the police.
I'm documenting this. I'm documenting this for safety reasons. Bro, calm yourself down. Trust me, calm
Have
down.
you got his badge number? Have you got the
office
I've
number?
got all this
Have
on.
you
I've
all
got
the
this on
details?
cam.
So-
I've got this on cam.
Okay.
Bro. Ask for your mum. Say you don't want to say nothing. What your parents there, bro? No, man. You
How old
can't
are
do
you?
that, man.
How
You
old